cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
we would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt
See,
Mr.
so
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng isang
President,
bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No. Bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I
No,
ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide
Mr.
ulit?
President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tignan niyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about
No,
decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no.
President. You are simplifying what
Session is
is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated international affect our claim, Mr.
Yeah.
President.
Maybe we have to correct that, Mr. President. Napakadelikado ng statement na yon. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi nung panahon ni President Aquino and even during the Duterte time, we did not protest Vietnam and Malaysia. So kung tama yung sinasabi ni Justice Carpio, wala na tayong claim sa sa 38 features ng China na clinic-claim nila, ang nasa loob ng EEZ natin 4, sa 24 na clinic-claim ng Vietnam, nasa EEZ natin 11, tapos yung Malaysia may 5, Taiwan, yung Ito Island, nasa loob, hindi natin pre-notice yun, Mr. President. So, let's dispel that malicious political statement because it is not a legal proposition. Wala sa UNCLOS ang laches at saka estoppel. Wala po doon. Hindi, ibang-iba yung law of the sea sa law of land. Sa land, pag walang titulo, tapos si SecGen, lalo kung yung titulo, yung lupa na yun ay nasa Batangas, and meron siyang constituent na nandun 30 years, may tax deck siya, walang nag-claim, uninterrupted, pwedeng tituluhan, pag biglang ako, kapitbahay niya, 1 year later sabihin, akin yan, hindi na pwede. May estoppel na may latches na Hindi totoo yun sa law of the seas. Kahit 1,000 taon, kahit bumangon yung mga mummies at dun sa mga pyramid sa Egypt, atin pa rin yun. No, Mr. President? I mean, we don't have to debate it today, courtesy if the DFA wants to answer that. But if that is their answer, and that wasn't their answer to me when I was secretary, because I asked everyone in DFA, I asked them, kung tama si Justice Carpio at hindi nag-protest during the time of President Aquino, we will file the protest now. Sabi, sir, hindi kailangan. At saka, sir, pag nag-protest ka sa Vietnam at Malaysia, tayo magkakampi ngayon kasi mas malaki ang China. Tayo sa ASEAN ang nag-uusap-usap. So hindi naman pwedeng iba yung rule sa China, iba yung rule sa Malaysia at Vietnam. In terms of legal, Mr. President.
in terms of legal, that's correct.
In approach,
In terms of realities,
yes,
we do
in
have to
certain realities, like for example, the water cannons, di ba?
Yes.
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 So, Mr. President, eto example, Hison Reef. My eyes isn't as good as it used to be, but I read the radar, I see the battle tank. Go to the next slides para lang makita. O eto, Bailang K. So makikita nyo po dyan, meron pong bunker, meron pong gun shelter, meron pong open, ayan, may battle tank, may lighthouse, may speedboats, may pier. Next slide. The Sincoe East Reef, if I'm pronouncing it right, ha? Meron tong 3-sweep twisted blade turbine for power. May battle tank. May 12.7 mm HMG. Concrete bunkers. At the time I got this and President Duterte allowed me to show it, ongoing pa yung construction nila. Next, Vietnam, Pugad Island. Sa Pugad Island, may battle tank, may anti-aircraft artillery. So let me ask the DND representative, through of course you gentleman, ang mga airplano ba natin, helicopters or Coast Guard, dumidikit sa mga island ng occupied ng Vietnam?
Hindi daw tayo dumidikit.
Yes.
Mr. President.
And that is why walang water cannon. That is why hindi natin napapanood sa balita yung "you are in Vietnamese territory, move out." Because iniiwasan natin yung sa Malaysia at Vietnam. That's not the only reason, Mr. President. Kasi nga, hindi iniwasan ng China ang Sierra Madre. Sila mali doon, tama tayo doon. I don't contest that. This is my point, Mr. President. We're not being totally truthful to the Filipino people of what's happening sa West Philippine Sea, South China Sea. And as we strengthen to face China, Malaysia and Vietnam are also strengthening. I don't know if the resource person from DND has the information how many submarines does Vietnam have.
In the area? There are a number
Yes.
of...
And how many does Malaysia have?
also, there
I'm
are...
sorry, sir. I know you don't have it offhand, but enough to say na marami. How many Philippines has? Except, hindi kasama yung kay Chabit na submarine na ginagamit niya sa Ilocos, ha? How many submarines does the Philippines have?
According to the DND, we have no submarines,
Okay.
Mr. President.
So, in long story short, we don't really have a strategy except the transparency strategy against China, but more so, we don't have that concrete strategy against Vietnam and Malaysia. Although we're friendly, Vietnam and Malaysia, as seen in all of this, have a strategy against the Philippines. In this last one, tignan mo po yung Quay. Tignan nyo po yung landingan nila, no? Dun sa Pugad Island, Let's go very fast with your permission just to show you yung Malaysian. Let's go to the Malaysian. Ayan. So yan ang example po, oh. May runways na rin sila. Next slide. Swallow Reef. Next slide. 5 yan eh. So anyway, sige. Let's stop there. But the point I want to make, Mr. President, is kailangan natin magkaisa sa issue na to. Atin to. And some want to make it a political issue. Sila pro-China, kami anti. Hindi po. Pare-pareho tayong pro-Philippines. Pero may mga detalye na kailangan pag-usapan natin ng husto. So I'll go straight to the resolution unless you wanna
Yes, please.
just react. Yeah. To the resolution, Mr. President, is it correct that ang pinagmulan nito ay yung presentation ni Commodore Tariela na may depiction in caricature or whatever the right name is of President Xi sa presentation niya? Ito ba yung pinagmulan nito?
Hindi naman, di ba? Even before that. I think that may be one of the issues raised, but I don't think it began with that, Mr. President.
No, Mr. President, because bago po yung yung Chinese ambassador eh. So all the disputes with the former ambassador, kung meron man, was covered by the 19th Congress eh. Kompleto naman tayo ng resolution eh. So lumala ito nung nagkaroon ng caricature regarding the president of China. So, asan yung side by side? Pakita mo. So, siguro ito question ko. Let's, with your permission, Mr. President, Senator Pangilinan, let's focus on Commodore Tariela muna, no? Let me state this for the record muna, ha? I don't doubt his patriotism. I don't doubt his contribution to the cause. At lahat ng ginawa niya na opisyal at tama, wala akong problema. Okay. This is one picture. Pero nasan yung picture ni Presidente na nung sa ASEAN ba yon or sa APEC? Hindi, yung nilapitan niya bigla si President Xi. Meron ka nun, di ba? Ito muna. Ano sa dalawa ang opisyal ng Pilipinas? Yung mag-usap tayo, magdebate, ipaglaban natin atin, pero sa simbolo ng watawat at sa simbolo ng Pangulo ng bawat bansa, cordial tayo, or ang official ba natin ay umikot tayo at gumawa tayo ng mga caricature at siraan natin ang image ng presidente ng kabila? Which is our official policy?
If I may just clarify, Mr. President, because the mention of the caricature. Mr. President, according to the information, the caricature came out January 14. But even before that, Mr. President, I publicly came up with a statement expressing concern about the military exercises, live military exercises undertaken by China in the Taiwan Straits. That was in December. And there, Mr. President, I was called out by the Chinese embassy spokesperson saying, reminding me that I should respect the one China policy. And so the issue of Tariela cannot be isolated, Mr. President.
Okay. So,
and therefore, if I answer this, it is simplifying, Mr. President, the whole resolution into Tariela's statements. No, it's not, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I'll go to the one China policy later on and why you were called out. Because if you remember, the president himself was called out.
Exactly,
But not
Mr.
by
President.
no, because that's their duty.
Well, and it is our duty to respond.
Yes.
Mr. President. Yes.
Yes, it's your duty to respond, Mr. President. But
To uphold the rights, to uphold our independence, to uphold our freedom of speech, Mr. President.
yes, Mr. President, but one of the red lines of China in their diplomatic relations with any country, including the United States, is the one China policy. That's why when the Speaker of the House of US went to Taiwan, they were called out. And there was no issue.
Mr. President,
and they called, Mr. President, let me finish.
Yes.
They called, and there was a debate. When President Bongbong said we have to prepare, President BBM, nag-statement. So, wala namang issue eh. Eto stand natin, eto stand nila.
Except that,
What's
Mr.
the
President,
issue there?
my experience with Chinese statements, Mr. President, is that they tend to be inaccurate, or they tend to make wrong, false accusations. Mr. President, I was chairperson of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. Our organization was blacklisted by China. And the accusation was that the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats, of which I was chairperson, was supporting Taiwanese independence, which was a lie, Mr. President. So I've had experience with Chinese public statements that are false because it serves their interests to promote their one China policy. We respect their one China policy. When I expressed concern about the live military exercise, I did not speak about Taiwan's independence, or I did not speak about, at least from my point of view, it had nothing to do with the one China policy. We were just expressing concern that the live military exercises are creating tension and escalating tension in our region. There was no mention of one China policy, and then they come in and then remind me.
No, Mr. President.
So I
That is a standard reminder because they consider Taiwan and the waters in between to be part of China. So, put it another way, Mr. President. Sa kainitan ng secession movement ng Mindanao, kung may statement ang isang opisyal ng China dahil nagpadala tayo ng military sa Marawi, hindi ba ang diplomats natin sa Beijing sasabihin din sa kanila, huwag kayong makialam. Kasi one Philippines to eh. Ang Mindanao ay hindi independent.
Mr. President, I beg to disagree with the comparison. I think, again, ano yan, Atis at Santol, Mr. President. Iba yung sitwasyon dun sa Mindanao, iba naman ang sitwasyon dito sa Taiwan Straits, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's a very,
For
very...
example, we have about 200,000 overseas Filipinos in Taiwan. And so these live military exercises are a concern because an accident could lead towards, a shooting war, which we would, for the sake of our Filipinos overseas, we would like to ensure that nothing like that happens.
No, I agree with you, Mr. President. And I agree with your statement, and I agree na sana hindi invade yung Taiwan. What I'm saying is it's the duty of their diplomats na sumagot. So if there were 200,000 Chinese in Mindanao, and we had live exercises, i-invade yung Marawi, yung ating diplomat ay aangal pa rin sa Beijing because it's their duty. Diba? But to move on from that, Mr. President, okay, going back to Commodore Tariela, sa resolution nyo po kasi nakalagay dito in their performance of the official duties. So, tinanong ng ambassador ng China sa DFA, official ba yan? Which is tama and normal. So if in Beijing, yung isang general doon ay maglabas ng caricature ni BBM, ipare-recall natin yung ambassador natin doon pag hindi siya nagtanong, nag-protest na bakit, at pag hindi sinabing official ba yon. Kasi yung Pangulo natin takes effort and time for good relations despite the dispute. Tapos yung general, naka-uniforme pa siya, on official time, will show this caricature. So my point, Mr. President, is naghahalo-halo kasi itong resolution na to kung ano tama at mali. Let's assume, I will not grant because hindi ko alam yung statements niyo, Mr. President. I have to admit that. Okay? Pero naghahalo din yung statement si Tariela. We cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
We would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt Mr.
So
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No. Bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide
Mr.
ulit?
President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tignan niyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges, Mr.
no.
President. You are simplifying
Session
what
is
is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated na international